Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class. Let's start now class 4. Previous class I discussed with you the question answered, very short answer type questions, right, from chapter number 1, input and output devices, and already we have completed the short question answer also. You all will note down this question answer in your computer notebook. Okay children, please all of you take out your notebook and let's start now. Today I will discuss with you short answer type question. I will start from number 1, 2A. 2A, write the difference between a hard copy and a soft copy. Difference between hard copy and soft copy. Write the answer. Hard copy, the output produced on a paper by a printer. Hard copy, the output produced on a paper by a printer, and the soft copy, the output that we get on a monitor. What is soft copy? The output that we get on a monitor. Whatever we can see on the monitor, that is called soft copy, and when we take a printer, so that is called hard copy. Now next question number B. What is an output device? Name any 3 output devices. What is an output device? Please write the answer. The devices which display the data that we enter into a computer are called output devices. The devices which display the data that we enter into a computer are called output devices. Name any 3 output devices. Example of output devices. First, monitor, next speaker and printer. Monitor, speaker and printer. The three are output, very common output devices. Next, question number C. List the differences between data and information. Differences between data and information. Write the answer. Left side data and right side information. Data fed into a computer is input. Data is of no use without processing. Data fed into a computer is input. Data is of no use without processing. Now, information. After processing, the data the computer produces output. After processing the data, the computer produces output which is called information. Now I have to rub the board. Now next question number D. Write the uses of each of the following. Number 1, ALU. You have to write over here the uses of this ALU. You all know the ALU full form, arithmetic and logical unit. You have to write the uses. ALU performs all arithmetic and logical operations. ALU performs all arithmetic and logical operations. Number 2. Next is CU. CU. It manages all the operations of a computer. CU full form control unit. It manages all the operations of a computer. Next, MU. This full form is memory unit. Data entered into the computer is stored temporarily or permanently. In the memory unit. Data entered into the computer is stored temporarily or permanently in the memory unit. Okay, children? Today this much. See you next class. Thank you.